In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Notion to Make.com. By the end, you'll have a secure working connection that lets Make automate your Notion pages and databases. First, start in Notion. Log in, then head to Settings and Members. In the sidebar, open Connections and choose Develop or Manage Integrations. This is where you create a private integration that Make will use to talk to your workspace. Click the New Integration button, pick the correct workspace from the drop-down, and give it a clear, memorable name, like Make Integration, so you can easily find it later. Click Submit to create it. You'll land on the Integration Details page. Open the Secrets tab, then click Show to reveal your internal integration token. Copy it carefully and keep it safe. This token is sensitive. Like a password, if it's ever exposed, return here to regenerate it. Now switch to Make.com and log in. Create a new scenario so you have a canvas to work on. Add a Notion module. Watch Database Items is a great starting point for testing because it listens for new or updated entries. In the module settings, click Add next to the connection field. For connection type, select Notion Internal. Paste the internal integration token you copied from Notion into the token field, and click Save. That's the handshake between Make and your Notion workspace. Here is one important permission step to finish. By default, new integrations in Notion can't see anything. You must explicitly invite the integration to each page or database you want to automate. Open the specific Notion page or database you plan to use. In the top right, click the three dots to open the page menu. Choose Connect to, or it may appear as Add Connections depending on your view. Search for the integration name you created earlier. Select it and confirm to grant access. Repeat this for every page or database you want Make to reach. If a module in Make can't find your data, it almost always means the integration hasn't been invited to that page yet. Back in Make, your Notion connection is now authorized and scoped only to the pages you've shared. This setup keeps your workspace secure while giving your automations the access they need. As you build scenarios, remember you can always return to Notion to adjust which pages are connected. And if you ever rotate your token for security, update the connection in Make to keep everything running smoothly. That's it, your Notion account is now connected to Make.com using a secure internal integration. Thanks for watching.